Hi guys, Craig here from Out There Touring. It's giveaway time again and we're up to giveaway 15. This week's giveaway is brought to you with the support of the guys from Cost Effective Maintenance. Now if you followed me for a little while on Facebook or even here on YouTube, you would have seen that when I returned from Moreton Island, the guys at Cost Effective Maintenance sent me a bottle of Chassis Guard. Really easy to apply. Just make sure the underbody of your car is clean from any sand or dirt. Let it dry, and then the Chassis Guard comes with a spray nozzle, and all you have to do is just spray it to apply underneath the around your chassis and that. So it's really easy to apply, really good product. I'm really impressed with it. So the guys have sent me a few extra bottles so I can give away to use, and this is this week's giveaway. Also in the giveaway is one of my caps and 2 stubby coolers. Now these are just the standard stubby coolers. They haven't got the magnetic strip in them. Just had a few extras, so it's time to get rid of them. Also there'll be just a couple of stickers, the Out There Touring stickers. So to win this prize, or to be in a chance to win the prize, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel. And also if you can follow me on Facebook and follow the guys at Cost Effective Maintenance on Facebook and have a look at their product range. You'll be blown away with the product they've got. This prize, the winner will be announced on Thursday the 12th of March. So again, all you have to do is be subscribed, drop a comment to let me know you're there, and I'll pick out the winner and we'll go from there, and I'll contact you and arrange for delivery. Cheers guys, don't forget, like, share, subscribe and hit that notification bell for another video coming out shortly. Travel safely.